Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to control paragraph and align text using tabs in Microsoft Word.
Paragraph formatting controls how blocks of text are arranged on the page, alignment, spacing, indentation, and tabs. Let's start with alignment. Select any paragraph, go to Home tab, look at the Paragraph section. Align left pushes text to the left margin. This is the default. Center places text in the middle of the page, useful for titles and headings. Align right pushes text to the right margin, used for dates or signatures. Justify spreads text evenly across both margins, gives a clean, professional look used in books and reports. Now, let's control line spacing. This is the space between each line of text. Click the line spacing dropdown. Select 2.0 for double spacing, gives more breathing room between lines, useful for documents that need annotations. Change it back to 1 for normal spacing. Now, let's use the paragraph dialog box for more precise control. Click the small arrow at the bottom right of the paragraph section. The paragraph dialog opens. Under General, change alignment to center. Under indentation, change before text to 0.5 inches. The paragraph moves inward from the left margin. Under spacing, change before to 12 pt and after to 6 pt. This adds space above and below the paragraph, keeping text from feeling cramped. Change line spacing to double, click OK. You can also control indentation directly from the Layout tab. Change left and right indent values, before and after spacing, all without opening the dialog box. Now let's learn about tabs. Tabs let you align text at specific positions on the line, perfect for creating clean columns without using a table. Open the paragraph dialog, click Tab Stop Options. Click the Add button. In the Tab Stop Position field, type 2 inches under Position. Select Left Alignment. Click OK. Now press the Tab key. Cursor jumps exactly to the 2-inch position. Type Name, press Tab. Type Department, press Tab. Type Salary. Each piece of text lines up perfectly. Tabs create clean, consistent alignment across multiple lines.
If you want to learn the complete course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.